Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So in order to take a screenshot, you'll either have to use a combination of Windows Shift and S buttons pressed at the same time, or you simply have to click this one button right here. And once you click on one of these buttons, you'll see a bar at the top of your screen, just like mine. And right here, we'll be able to take a screenshot in 4 different ways, which you can see right here: rectangular, windowed, full screen, and freeform screenshot. So rectangular screenshot is the screenshot in which you have to select an area which you want to capture, like this. And once you release the mouse, the screenshot will be taken and moved to your screenshot folder. You can also, if you click on this notification that you just saw, you'll be able to modify your screenshot, make it look the way you want it to. You can highlight something in it, you can show something on it. And to find the screenshot, we'll have to open the File Explorer, go to the Pictures folder, Screenshots, and here's the screenshot that we just took. Okay, and the next type of screenshot is the window screenshot. So in order to take a screenshot of a window, we have to select a window that we have opened on our display on our desktop and click on it like this, and this way we will take a screenshot of the window itself. And the next one is full screen screenshot, which simply takes this screenshot of your entire screen like this. And the last one is rectangular, or excuse me, the freeform screenshot, which is works similarly to a rectangular, except for you can take a screenshot of any shape that you like. Just draw the shape on your screen with the left key of your mouse, like this. And this way you will create a screenshot of any form. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.